Wagwan bad people. In this one, we have Masicka, a disc back Madsus, plus we also have Silk Boss and Alkaline. So this update is one that you do not want to miss. So to everybody who is new, big up on yourself, just leave a subscribe and feel free to leave a like. Yeah man, welcome to the channel 4K ENT. Big up on yourself and make we jump right into it. So I could start off with Silk Boss. The entertainer made a post and it says, from what here, I say a one bagger yes man in a dancehall. Some of uno no have a mind a uno own, uno love follow. Hashtag mad thing with a cold face emoji. The entertainer went on and said, truth hurts, ta. So it's like Silk Boss and someone is in some issue where he might drop this, you know. So I wanna just leave a take down below. Silk Boss also made a post where he must sing an Alkaline song. So yeah, and we don't know say how Silk Boss and Alkaline start link. So viewers, one bag of things are going on in a dancehall from what here. Dancehall get nice, no joke.
This is how I'm living. I just say some of live. And them vex. Trooper vex. Foota vex. All of them vex. Watch the not two. General, look what I want. Two people are doing me and I'm a Foota. I do foot shall, hand shall, and every shall. All of them vex. This is how I'm living. Rose. Yo.
Yeah man, so MC Nuffy, I say yo, you might live a good life. Trooper vex and Foota vex, and you don't know say the entertainer attack Foota hype. So you know Foota hype, I go respond to this. But what the thing is, I don't know where Foota hype and MC Nuffy have. Maybe away Foota hype they come out and say about Masicka, this scene. That's all the MC Nuffy and not the scene, you know, Madsus. So maybe at that make MC Nuffy come out now and I say Foota vex. So yeah, you can look out for Foota. I go respond to MC Nuffy. Cause you don't know say Foota hype see everything we go on in the dancehall and him go always give him point of view. So Alkaline recently touched down and they're out here in Jamaica like a day back. His sister made this post as you can see on the screen. And if you read the caption, it says, if them ever with 3 laughing emoji, hashtag one alka, hashtag man himself, plus the song where she choose to put on the picture is Alkaline, if them ever. So I feel like when she made that post and she said if them ever, I feel like she kinda drop a shade towards Bounty, because viewers and subscribers remember, you know, Bounty said if him ever buck Alkaline face to face, Alkaline have to go defend himself because Alkaline back then tell Bounty about him mother. So yeah man, when I see the picture and I see the caption if them ever, straight away I start think about it and I say yo, I must Bounty to drop this one. Must Bounty then drop this one because you know it just connect. You see me? I don't know if I'm me wrong, but viewers and subscribers, you just leave a take in the comments and make me know if you don't think the same way as me. Because I just feel like at the Bounty, our Bounty killer say I respond to and say if them ever with a laughing emoji, hashtag one alka, hashtag man himself. It just connect right there, so viewers and subscribers. So just leave a take in the comments. Make me know when you think about that. Yeah man, make we continue.
Yo DJ, me know I watch Pocket Mad Sus in the dog. And mama lashing up in my road. It's none of that.
You know, Madsus,
no sussy boy, no chat boy. No nothing, nothing at all like that.
No thing go, yeah?
It's
don't listen to
Crocodile, wireless one. Wireless one.
You understand?
Know that blood
Stay
clot.
tuned and listen to it's them.
Hits. Play the song.
The morning night for blast.
Know that.
No crackhead boy can't bother this one.
No time.
Wild.
Wild.
Crackhead.
500 wild.
So the genocide boss they in the studio I cook up something fresh for the fans them. And as you can hear in the video, them a show some shades at Madsus plus MC Nuffy, but mostly Madsus. And you don't know the media have it to say yo Masicka only this MC Nuffy and him never this Madsus. So what's the point of him coming out and saying he's the baddest when both entertainers diss him and him only this the weak link, which is MC Nuffy. So now the entertainer jump out and I say yo Madsus a crackhead. Viewers and subscribers on hear it playing as there in the video. Masicka say Madsus is a crackhead. Viewers and subscribers on know it go already. Leave on a take down below in the comments. Masicka finally this back Madsus. Well, Mono say it's a diss like that. In just say yo Madsus a crackhead. You see me not really appreciate it as a major diss like how him this MC Nuffy, because him this MC Nuffy worse. Him say a bag of things about MC Nuffy, say MC Nuffy a fallbacker, MC Nuffy a waste man and all type of things. Him always say yo Madsus a crackhead. So I don't make me know to think about that. You see me, is it a diss or just a say something? You see me, cause we don't know, bro. My type say Masicka a bad artist. But I feel like say Masicka afraid to lose him fans them because half of Masicka fans are Gaza fans. So I'm feel him afraid to lose that side of his fans them. You see me? Because as I say, him this MC Nuffy worse than what him say a while ago in the video. When him say yo Madsus a crackhead. You see me? So leave on a take down below. Viewers and subscribers know the badness go already. Big up on yourself, leave a subscribe if you're new to over here, and feel free to leave a like. Yeah man, as always, catch you in another one.